Let's solve these together. It says 9 raised to the power x plus 15 raised to the power x plus 25 raised to the power x. And we have to solve for the value of x in this question, okay? Now, first thing we can say here is to say, let's divide each term by 9 raised to the power x. So we have 9 raised to the power x dividing itself, okay? So we have divided by 9 raised to the power x is equal to, or plus, 15 raised to the power x dividing 9 raised to the power x, okay? Is equal to 25 raised to the power x divided by 9 raised to the power x, okay? Now, from here you can see that 9 raised to the power x strikes out to give us 1 plus 15 raised to the power x can be said to be equal to 5 times 3, okay? 5 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power x is 15 raised to the power x divided by 9 raised to the power x is the same thing as 3 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power x, okay? This is equal to 25 is 5 raised to the power x times 5 raised to the power x, and 9 raised to the power x is the same thing as 3 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power x, okay? Now, this is now equal to 1 plus 3 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power x, so that we have 5 raised to the power x divided by 3 raised to the power x to be equal to, on this side we have 5 raised to the power x times 5 raised to the power x is 5 raised to the power 2x, okay? When you add, divided by, this is 3 raised to the power 2x, okay? Now moving on from here, we can say that this becomes 1 plus 5 raised to the power x divided by 3 raised to the power x to be equal to, you can factor out 2 from both the numerator and the denominator at the powers, okay? To give us 5 over 3, okay? So we can say 5 raised to 5 over 3, all raised to the power of what? 2x, okay? On this other side, we can say that this is equal to 5 over 3 all raised to the power x. Alright. Now at this juncture, we can see that we have 5 over 3 constants on in each term carrying x, alright? So you can just assert a value for 5 over 3 raised to the power x. So you can say that 5 over 3 raised to the power x can be equal to any random number. So let's use y, alright? So let's say y. Now we're going to replace y with 5 over 3 raised to the power x in this equation. Let's do that quickly. Moving on from here, we can say that since our 5 over 3 raised to the power x is y, so we can have that this is 1 plus y to be equal to, now this is 2 here before the x, so we have y raised to the power 2, okay? Now we have here that our y squared minus y, and this is what? Minus 1 is equal to 0, alright? Now from here we can say, let's use the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula simply states that our y here will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, okay? Our a here is the coefficient of y squared, which is 1, b is minus 1, which is the coefficient of this, and c is minus 1 as well. Alright, so we can have that our y is equal to minus 1 is 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 squared is the same thing as 1 as well, minus 4 times negative 1 is plus 4, alright? All over 2 times 1, which is 2. And this y now becomes equal to 1 plus or minus root 5 over 2. Okay, this is our y. Now from here, we can say that these are the two values for y. But recall that our y is equal to 5 over 3 raised to the power of x, okay? Now, we're going to resubstitute the value for y here equated to 5 over 3 raised to the power x to get the values for x, okay? Let's do that quickly now. Moving on from here, we can say that we already have that y is this. So let's pick one of the values for y. Let's say that y now, when y is equal to 1 plus root 5 over 2, okay? Now what's our x be? Now recall that our y is 5 over 3 raised to the power x. So we can replace this y here with that 5 over 3 raised to the power of x is equal to this. Now moving on from here, you're going to have that we can take the ln of both sides. So we can say ln of 5 over 3 raised to the power x is equal to ln of 1 plus root 5 over 2. Now from here we now have that this is x multiplied by ln of 5 over 3 to be equal to ln of 1 plus root 5 all over 2. Now from here we now have that our x will be equal to ln of 1 plus root 5 all over 2 divided by ln of 5 over 3, okay? So if you input this in the calculator, you get the answer for x. Now we can also bring back our minus here. So plus or minus, whatever whichever one you input in the calculator, you get the final answers for x in this question. Okay, so I hope this made sense. I hope you understood what I did. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.